Good morning, Year 4. It's Mr. Tamlin here, and welcome to our spelling video for this week, where we're going to be looking at our spelling words and finding out exactly what these words mean. So let's get started then. Now, all of our spelling words are prefixes. Now, prefixes are letters that are added to the beginning of words to change their meaning. And there are two that we're going to focus on this week. The first one behind the green box is miss, so M-I-S, these letters added before the root word. And the other prefix is dis, so D-I-S, that are added before the root word here. When you add these prefixes to the beginning of the words, they make a negative meaning, which means they mean like of the opposite of what the root word would usually be. So let's look at some examples now. Our first spelling word is a picture one, and I've got it down here, but I've hidden it. So I've hidden some of the letters with 4 of these boxes. Our task is to guess our spelling word. Now you've got 2 children here. Think what might be going on, and what do you think our spelling word is? It starts with the miss prefix, M-I-S. You've got a B, so miss B, and then you've also got a V. Shout out now if you think you know what the spelling word is, describing the picture. It is misbehave. So misbehave means when someone doesn't follow the rules or they behave badly. Looking at his picture, I think that the boy might have stolen the girl's teddy and she is not very happy. Okay, let's go on to our second spelling word. Here is the picture. Can you guess our spelling words? Look at what the cartoon's thinking, what's going on in our mind. And here is our spelling word there. You've got M-I-S, so that's miss. You've also got a P and a C. Now have a little think. Shout out if you think you know what it is. This spelling word is misplace. Now, misplace means when you put an object in the wrong place and you can't find it, so you lose it temporarily. Almost like this cartoon character's looking for something and she's saying, where is it? She cannot find it. So that's another one of our spelling words. Let's look at another picture. Here it is. Can you guess our spelling words from this picture and these clues here? Now it starts with the prefix dis, so D-I-S. You've also got a C and a V, so what could our word be? Shout out if you know. This word is discover, like the boy here discovering the treasure, which means when you search for something or find something unexpectedly. So discovers our spelling word. Let's look at another picture round, which is this one here. Can you guess our spelling word from this cartoon girl here? It starts with this again, but then we only know it's got an I in it. So can you shout out now if you think you know what it is using the picture? It is dislike. Now, dislike means when you really, really don't like something. And I'm imagining that this girl does not like eating her vegetables or the salad there. She's not happy about that, is she? Super. So there are our first 4 spelling words. We're going to look at some more spelling words that we've got for this week using the M-I-S or the D-I-S. So let's look at our first one. The first one says misread. And misread means when you read something incorrectly. Misspell means when you spell a word incorrectly or wrong. Disappear means when you cannot be seen. And finally, discontinue when you stop doing something or providing something. Now, can you see Year 4? All of our prefixes change the meaning. So read and spell means you can read words and you can spell them. But put M-I-S in front of it, it means you cannot do it or you do it wrong. The same for disappear. Appear means you can be seen. Disappear means you cannot. Continue means you carry on doing something. Discontinue means you stop it. So it completely changes our meaning to the opposite. Now, for our spelling words, we always have like a few at the bottom of our spelling sheet, which don't follow the rules, but these are just our Year 4 must-learn words. Let's look at the pictures now. We've got the first word is grammar. Now, this is all about how we write our words or how we form sentences and all about the words that we choose to use. We've got another word, height, which means how tall an object is, just like the girl here measuring her height there. Island is the land, like a piece of land like this, that's surrounded by water all the way around it. And finally, knowledge is all of the facts or the information or the skills that you learn and you use. So they're all of our spelling words for this week. And just like normal, we've got a spelling sheet that looks like this. You've got a choice here for. You can practice these words under column 1, 2, and 3. You can do all 3 this morning if you'd like to, or you might choose to do 1 each day. So this could be today, this could be tomorrow's, and this could be Friday's. It's up to you how you practice them. And then on the back of the sheet, you've got a couple activities here. You've got all of our spelling words hidden within a word search. You can practice finding those. And you've got another activity called pyramid words. This is when you take one of our spelling words and write the first letter at the top. On the line below, you write the first 2 letters. Then the line below, you write the first 3 letters. And you keep going like that to form a pyramid shape. Now, we've got our sheet on our learning document that you could find and download, and you can even print it if you'd like to, but you don't need to. You can just practice these on a scrap piece of paper or on your English books, wherever you'd like to, just to practice our spellings. Okay, you can use your time now to practice all of our spelling words and try out some of these activities here.